Good morning. I got a really sweet Beamer here. This is a 2015 BMW X3, and this one is the M Sport package. So it's got some really nice. What size are these? These are 20-inch M Sport wheels. You can just tell with the side skirting and the black accents. It looks really sharp. Let's go over some of the stuff here. So we got park sensors, backup camera for the outside. We have a big panorama roof up here. We'll check that out once we hop inside. But yeah, you can tell just like the lower grille over here is really sporty. Definitely sets it apart from every other X3, and it is alpine white, which is an iconic color from BMW. Let's have a look in the driver's seat. It's got a really nice brown leather interior. Let me hop inside and turn that radio down. 1 second. Alrighty, so yeah, it's got a nice brown leather interior with some nice wood grain. It does have Harman Kardon. I forgot to mention, this car is fully loaded. It has a ton of options, as well as the M Sport package. Some M Sport badging there and there. It's got a black headliner with the panorama roof. Let's open that up to show that in action. Yeah, it's a massive, massive roof. Alrighty, let's hop in. Like I said, this has a ton of options. I'll have them listed on our main website. But for now, it has the M Sport package, the technology package, which appears to give it adaptive cruise right here. It does have Bluetooth and all that stuff. Let's have a look here. This one's got 95K on it. So yeah, let's go over some of the big screen options. It has navigation. I'll throw it in reverse. It's got backup camera with sensors in the front as well as the back, which is really nice. There's a button right here. I've never seen this on a Beamer. Okay, so this is what it has. It has active blind spot. Sorry, the sun is kind of blocking the radio screen. Okay, lane departure warning, pedestrian warning, and collision warning. Okay, so that'll intervene and hit the brakes if you're not paying attention, which is really cool. It's got heated seats, really cool digital display there. Standard cup holders in there. Here's your command center, all the features. It has a ton of options. I'm not listing everything off the top of my head. Like I said, I'll have them listed on the website. USB aux inputs. Let's have a look in the back seat and trunk area. I'm trying to think what I saw on it. It had premium package, technology package, M Sport package, and both the driver assistance package and the driver assistance plus package. So this one's definitely pretty loaded. It's got power liftgate. The Ruby back here. Close that. Oh, also it's got some really nice Goodyear Eagle tires all around. Just look really good. That's a really nice tire. Got a look under the hood. This is a 4-cylinder turbo. I'm not sure if twin power turbo means twin turbo. I think it does. We'll have that listed on the website as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped out. This is a really cool, fully decked out X3. It definitely stands apart from pretty much any SUV in its class. So yeah, I hope this video helped again. Take care. Thanks for watching.